Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the practice 2 of decimal. Okay. First we will see the quick drill. Now today we will see hundreds. Okay. Write in words 0.25. Next 2.36. 0.05. 15.23. 'Okay. Next, what fraction and decimal does this represent? Fraction, what's the fraction here? 1, 2, 3, 3 whole and 10, 10, 10, 30, 1, 2, 32, 32 by 100. This is 1 whole is equal to 100. Okay. How to convert this as a decimal? As it is, convert this 32. How to convert 32? 3.32. Okay. So this is decimal. Understood? Next, we'll start practice 2. Write as a fraction and as a decimal. Write as a fraction and decimal. So this is fraction. I will write F, okay, for fraction. This is whole 1. Okay. This is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 by 100. Okay. What's the decimal of this? 118 by 100. First one whole point. We have to convert this 18 by 100. It's actually 0.18. Okay. So 0, in that 0 we have to write whole 1. 1.18. Next, this B, fraction 1, 2, 2, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 67 by 100. What's the decimal? 2.67. 2.67. Next. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So fraction is 20 by 100. What's the decimal? 0.20, or you can write 0.2. Okay. Next, write as fraction. Write as a decimal. 32 by 100. 0.32. 65 by 100. 0.65. 13 1 by 100. 13.01. 2 9 by 100. 2.09. Next, write as a fraction. 0.16. 16 by 100. 0.23. 23 by 100. 0.03. 3 by 100. 5.50. 5. 50 by 100. Okay. Next, complete the place value chart. Decimal number 1.09. 1 is in ones place. 0 tenths. 9 is hundreds. Next, 20.56. 20.56. Next, 81.04. 81.04. 90.9. 90.9. Understood? This is about the practice to hundreds of decimals. Okay. Tomorrow we will see the applications of decimals. Okay. Thank you.